Imagine a world where 4 out of 5 people between the ages of 12 and 24 suffer from acne. It's an alarming fact, isn't it? Just reflect for a moment on those numbers, those faces, the teenagers full of potential, their dreams and aspirations being marred by the distressing, self-esteem eroding situation that is acne. Consider the young adults stepping into the world full of hope, only to find their confidence dwindling due to the harsh, unsparing presence of acne on their faces. It's not merely a cosmetic issue, it's a problem that reaches into the very depths of their psyche, sowing seeds of doubt, insecurity, and self-consciousness. They're not just battling acne, they're wrestling with the labels acne as a sign of poor hygiene or an unhealthy diet. Remember, these are not just statistics, these are real people, living real lives, facing real challenges. It's deeply unsettling to think that such a large proportion of our young population is dealing with this. It's a wake-up call that demands our attention, our empathy, our action. This is our reality, and it's time to change it. Welcome back to Healing Kitchen, where we explore nature's bounty for our well-being. Today's episode promises to be exciting, educational, and filled with tips that could change your life. This is the place where food meets health, where nature's gifts are harnessed to create a lifestyle that promotes wellness and longevity. We believe in the power of Mother Nature, in her ability to provide us with everything we require to lead a healthy life. Our philosophy is simple. We believe that the key to good health lies not in synthetic compounds, but in the fruits of the earth. We aim to help you understand the importance of consuming foods that are not only tasty, but are also packed with essential nutrients. In each episode, we delve into the natural world, bringing to you the secrets of health that lie hidden in the most unexpected corners. We believe in empowering you with knowledge, helping you make informed decisions about your food and lifestyle choices. Today, we focus on a problem that plagues many of us, a condition that can be a source of embarrassment, causing a dent in our confidence. Yes, we're talking about the bane of clear skin, acne. It's a common problem, and today we're going to provide a natural solution that's effective and easy to implement. Acne, in all its forms, originates from excess sebum production that blocks our skin's pores. This can lead to a variety of skin conditions, the most common of which are acne vulgaris and cystic acne. Sebum is an oily substance that our bodies produce to keep our skin moisturized. But when levels of this substance become too high, it can have harmful effects, leading to the creation of acne vulgaris and cystic acne, two of the most dreaded forms of skin condition. Several factors can precipitate this excessive sebum production, triggering the onset of these skin issues. Many of these factors are part of our everyday lives, making them nearly unavoidable. Hormonal fluctuations, whether due to puberty or simply the monthly menstrual cycle, can disrupt the balance of sebum production, leading to acne. Stress, too, plays a significant role. In response to stress, our bodies produce a hormone called cortisol, which can lead to an increase in sebum production. Similarly, friction caused by clothing can also irritate the skin, causing pores to become blocked and leading to acne. Even certain medications prescribed for various health conditions can have side effects that include increased sebum production and subsequent acne outbreaks. So it's important to be aware of the potential side effects of any medication you're taking. However, it's not all doom and gloom. Acne can be managed and effects lessened with the right approach. By understanding its causes and triggers, we can take preventative measures and seek effective treatment. But fear not, we're here to help. To zap zits, turn to over-the-counter products with benzoyl peroxide. This magic ingredient is a powerhouse in the world of skincare. Benzoyl peroxide is one of the most common ingredients found in a variety of skincare products designed for acne-prone skin. It's trusted by dermatologists worldwide due to its impressive ability to attack the root cause of acne. It works by opening clogged pores, a common issue for those suffering from acne. When pores are clogged, it can lead to a buildup of bacteria, oil, and dead skin cells, creating the perfect environment for a pimple. But benzoyl peroxide bravely steps in, clearing the way and ensuring each pore is free of any obstructions. Moreover, it eliminates bacteria, a key contributor to acne. Its antibacterial properties make it effective in reducing the number of acne-causing bacteria on the skin. By doing so, it lessens inflammation and redness, leaving you with a clearer complexion. Next, consider products with glycolic acid. This is an alpha-hydroxy acid, a power player in the skincare industry. Glycolic acid works by sloughing off the outermost layer of your skin. This process allows new, healthier skin to surface, ensuring your pores remain clear and free from potential acne-causing elements. So remember to combat those pesky pimples. Turn to benzoyl peroxide and glycolic acid, your reliable skincare allies. Products with glycolic acid and alpha-hydroxy acid slough off the outermost skin layer, keeping pores clear. For an immediate solution, wrap an ice cube in plastic wrap and apply it to the troubled spot twice a day. This simple action can have a significant impact on your skin condition. The coldness of the ice constricts the blood vessels, thereby reducing blood flow to the area and alleviating redness and inflammation. This technique is called cold therapy, a form of cryotherapy, which is commonly used to treat various skin issues, from acne to burns. It's a natural method that requires no harsh chemicals or expensive treatments. In addition, the plastic wrap serves two purposes. First, it acts as a barrier between the ice and your skin, preventing the possibility of frostbite or tissue damage direct contact with the ice. Second, it keeps the ice cube from melting too quickly, allowing for a more prolonged and effective application. However, if inflamed outbreaks persist after this cold therapy, it may be time to consider a different approach. Aspirin, an over-the-counter medication, might be your next line of defense. Its anti-inflammatory properties can help to soothe and calm the skin, reducing further outbreaks. Please take note, though, that aspirin should only be used under a doctor's supervision due to its potential side effects. Implement these tips consistently, and you may notice a significant improvement in your skin's health. The world of alternative acne treatments is remarkably vast and holds immense promising potential. One such alternative is the widely used tea tree oil, cherished and globally known for its potent anti-acne properties. This naturally occurring oil can work wonders if appropriately applied directly on blemishes, preferably thrice a day. The key to its effectiveness lies in its anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties, which help to calm redness, swelling, and inflammation. However, if you're someone who's battling with monthly hormonal breakouts, there's a different solution. Try incorporating a cup or two of chasteberry tea into your daily routine. This magical herb is known for its ability to regulate hormones, which may help in reducing acne. But if you're looking for a quick fix for your acne, dab a bit of vinegar or lemon juice on your pimples. This can surprisingly flush out your pores, reducing the possibility of further breakouts. One ancient folk remedy that could do the trick is a homemade mask of powdered nutmeg and honey. This age-old treatment works by inflammation and speeding up the healing of the skin. Similarly, aloe vera, a plant known for its healing properties, has been proven effective in one study to heal skin. Aloe vera can soothe the skin, making it an excellent option for acne-prone skin. Lastly, consider taking a step further by boosting your zinc levels under doctor's supervision for a visible and remarkable improvement in your skin's health. Prevention is always better than cure, so keep your skin dirt-free with gentle cleansing. But remember, over-cleansing may stimulate more oil production. Opt for disposable cleansing cloths instead of abrasive washcloths. A DIY solution with Epsom salt, iodine and water can help keep blackheads at bay. And for the gentleman, rinsing your razor in alcohol after use can prevent bacteria transfer to your face. And there you have it, folks. Your guide to battling acne with the power of nature. Remember, consistency is key. Find what works best for you and stick with it. If you found this video helpful, do give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and leave your skincare tips in the comments below. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated on all our skincare tips. Until next time, stay radiant. This is Healing Kitchen, signing off.